that thing you do to make me crazy. Come on, front me, that thing you do to make me crazy. Oh yeah, come on, that thing you do. Oh, him my Brahmin chain, me and my Brahmin chain. Come make I put this thing on you. Oh, him my Brahmin chain, Brahmin chain, me and my Brahmin chain. Come make I put this thing on you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? In this video, I am going to show you how I transformed this wig from this to this using the watercolor method. So if you're interested, stay tuned. This hair is from Rosa Beauty Hair Company, which I received for a review, and I have an initial review which I'll link down below in the description box. I made the wig, by the way. Now, I know for watercolor method, people often use blonde hair to turn their hair, bright red or like different colors. But since I want mine to turn dark brownish red, I'm not going to bleach the hair. Instead, I am going to lighten it using a 40 volume developer, the cream kind. First of all, I'm going to wear my gloves. Make up your mind, hey, would you be my lover? Place my wig into this container. Would you be my lover? And pour the developer all over the hair. And if you won't be my lover, let me know. Would you be my? And with my hands, I am going to massage the developer into the hair to make sure every strand is coated. And now I'm going to repeat as necessary. Ever since she came out, I never felt this way before. Now that I'm finished coating every strand, and I know this because the hair is saturated and I can feel the weight of the cream actually, and I can literally squeeze the developer out. Now it's time to let it process. I'm using this heavy duty aluminum foil to cover over the wig. Now usually if it's summer, you can take this to your backyard and let the sun process for about like 45 minutes and it will be done, like seriously. But since it's fall and there's no sun and it's cold, I let it process in the room temperature for about 3.5 hours, and I just washed and conditioned the wig. So this is how the wig looks after I blow dried it. I didn't want to air dry it because I didn't have much time. I'm going to dip this in a dye, so I didn't care, to be honest with you. Now guys, take a look at this. The closure lightened way faster and further than the bundles. Wow, like maybe it's because the bundles and the closures come from different donors. I don't know, but anyway, I'll talk about it more in the upcoming review. Now, in order to color the hair, I've prepared warm water into the container. The dye I'm using today is semi-permanent Adore dye in the color Intense Red number 71. Now, since this hair is long, I got 3 of them. Here I'm pouring all 3 bottles and mixing them all up so that the color is evenly distributed in the water. Now I'm checking the temperature to make sure that the water is still warm. Now obviously the reason why the water needs to be warm to hot or even lukewarm, because hair cuticles open up when contacted with warm temperature and shuts when contacted with cold temperature. Here I'm slowly but eventually dumping the wig into the water. So I left the water in for no more than 4 minutes, and this is how it looks after I quickly shampooed and conditioned the hair with cold water. I repeat, cold water. And now I am going to let the hair air dry. Alright, so this is how the hair looks after air drying. The wave pattern has not changed and the hair still looks healthy. And now I am going to come back with this wig all styled up, and I'll see you in 2 seconds.
So tell me now.